Big news coming in from Kolkata. Remember that brutal rape and murder case of a young doctor has shocked the country, and the mind-numbing, disturbing details that have surfaced. 4 doctors now of the RG Kar Hospital have been summoned by Kolkata Police's detective department and will be questioned too. So while there was one, so to say, a civil volunteer with the police, Sanjay Roy, based on CCTV, based on electronic evidence, who was taken into custody. We are told these doctors have been asked to appear at Kolkata Police Headquarters, and in just a short while. One is an intern doctor, another is house staff, rest of the 2 are PGTs. They're all from one department. They were also on night duty that night when the crime has happened. And we are told that some of them joined the lady doctor at dinner at night. And after that, after a few hours after that, she was found raped and murdered. Now, a man has been arrested, but does that end the investigation, or are there more disturbing details coming in here? Remember, the doctor is in the safest working space. She's in a hospital after all. And to be found raped and murdered with a semi-naked body at a time when she was on this elaborate duty, what happened? Who could be a criminal within the hospital premises where there are patients, there are vulnerable people, and should be the safest for not just doctors, patients, but everyone? So that's the big news coming in. This is very interesting, remember, and significant that the police in Kolkata haven't ended their probe right away. They've arrested one Sanjay Roy after CCTV and electronic evidence was matched. There was some suspicious items that were found within the hospital premises, and that, when connected, led them to a suspect by the name. But it looks like 4 doctors have been asked to appear before the Kolkata Police Headquarters. Now, this, remember, is for more information. They're not being seen as an accused in this case. Let's make that very clear. Anupam Mishra is joining me on the latest. Anupam, it's very interesting that the police is not ending the investigation right away. Why have 4 doctors at different levels have been asked to appear before the Kolkata Police Detective Department?
Well, Pooja, section of students were demanding that, and they were suspicious that not only one person was behind the murder, it may be that some more persons were behind the murder. So, police is not ending their investigation. They are ongoing their investigation, and there are a lot of things that they want to unreveal, and that is why they have called 4 doctors, because these 4 doctors were on duty at that time. They were on night duty and they had dinner with the victim. So police thinks that there are some questions which need to be asked to these doctors. That is why they have been asked to appear before the Kolkata police, and they will Kolkata police will ask some questions regarding the night when the murder happened.
Anupam, stay on with me, because these are disturbing details. Remember, to think that an on-duty doctor would be found raped and murdered in such a brutal manner, and the details that have come in from post-mortem are absolutely horrific. But there's a reason that the Bengal police haven't ended the investigation just yet. This 31-year-old trainee doctor inside the RG Kar Medical Hospital, on duty, at work, within her premises, which is supposed to be the safest. The incident has sparked massive outrage. Doctors have called for a pan-India protest, halting medical services across the country except emergency services. Protesting junior doctors are demanding CBI probe, compensation for victims' family, and a written publication of the investigation progress report from Bengal authorities. Now, what exactly happened? Sources are telling India Today that this prime accused arrested right now, Sanjay Roy, went behind the hospital, consumed alcohol, allegedly was watching pornography. Then he entered into the hospital, and then that is where raped and murdered the victim. He tried to tamper with the evidence, tried to wash the bloodstains at the hospital, and now 4 doctors at RG Kar Hospital have been summoned by the police. Sources say all of them were on night duty when the crime happened. Here's a report coming in from on the ground, how doctors have gathered and congregated in different parts of the country to hold a protest.
Medical fraternity is deeply saddened after the incident of assault of trainee doctor, which was related to RG Medical College. And right now you can see straight from the visuals how the Resident Doctor Association are protesting and releasing a candle march in the solidarity of that student which was assaulted. And what is the demand of your fraternity?
एक्चुअली जो इंसिडेंस हुआ जो तो दुखदार है, और ये इंसिडेंस सिंगल टाइम हुआ है, इसीलिए सबको पता चल रहा है. All over India, there is no resident room. All resident doing duty more than 36 hours, 48 hours. Actually, no separate resident of a female as well as male. only single room there, and there's no rest at one resident after doing 24 hours duty, 36 hours duty, they have to rest on their stretcher or other things on the other chair.
What are your demand?
But in that situation, after 36 hours duty, she is gang raped, multiple persons.
We are demanding a fair investigation and a CBI inquiry because this is a heinous crime. It cannot serve the ongoing investigation the way it is going on. It will not be able to serve the justice. We need to show strong, response towards this crime. And we need to set an example that this is something which will not be tolerated in this country at all.
ये बहुत ही निंदनीय है क्योंकि इस गवर्नमेंट के अंडर में ये काम एक बार नहीं बहुत बार हो चुका है। ममता बनर्जी ने बोला उसके अगेंस्ट में जो भी कार्रवाई होगा फांसी होना चाहिए। पहले क्यों नहीं बोला आपने? 7-8 घटना घट चुके हैं आपके 15 सालों में, तो आपने पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? अभी डर गए हैं बांग्लादेश का ये रूप देखकर कि आपके यहाँ भी वायलेशन हो सकता है। इसके कारण आपका ये जो गवर्नमेंट है पूरा फेलियर है। गवर्नमेंट आप गवर्नमेंट चला रहे हो, सिर्फ नाम पे चला रहे हो। आदमी यहाँ का सुरक्षित नहीं है, महिला यहाँ सुरक्षित नहीं है।